Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video for you guys. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a wig install, except for this one's a lot different, you guys. So the wig that I'm gonna be testing out today is from Unice hair. Is it Unice or Unice? Correct me in the comment section because I can never get this one right. But this is their new wig, and this wig is different because this is a game changer. This is a game changer. This is their magic lace wig, and you're probably wondering what is that? Or maybe you've heard of it already. So basically what it is a wig, and obviously it's a wig, but you can change the closure on the wig. So you can actually take it off and change it and apply a whole new other closure, which is actually amazing because if you're a wig wearer and you love wigs like I do, frontal is like usually the first thing to go. So you can actually take the frontal off and add a whole nother frontal, and you don't have to cut it apart or do anything like that. I'm gonna show you guys how everything looks and show you how it works. And I love this idea because I have a lot of wigs and some of them are in ratty condition, but yet the hair in the back is in great condition, but the front is in kind of a hot mess, right? And if I want to change the frontal, I usually have to cut it all off, buy a whole new frontal and sew it on. And that's a lot of work. But with this one, you don't have to cut it off. You can actually just remove it. It's attached by Velcro. And then you can also just add another frontal to it. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what the wig looks like straight out the box. So this is the box that it comes in. And as you can see, it is pre-plucked, pre-bleached. You don't have to do anything to the hairline. It looks absolutely amazing and flawless inside. So this is how it's looking. This is the cap. And also I love the fact that it has like this elastic thing right here, so it just doesn't feel uncomfortable when you're wearing it on the back. And also have a wig strap as well as a adjustable strap here in the back. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try and adjust this. All right, so I have my other box here. So I'm gonna open this one up, and this is gonna include the frontal. So like I said, we are going to try this wig on, and then we are going to change the frontal of this wig to another frontal. And there's pretty much everything that you need for your wigs in here. So you got your wig cap, you got your melting band, everything is pretty much included. And we have the little hair piece. Okay guys, so this is the other piece right here. So I'm literally gonna attach this to the wig that I already have, but I'm gonna try the wig on first, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I remove it and how I attach this one. This is actually super amazing. Like, I love the fact that companies are doing this. I love that they're doing this. This is actually amazing. Ooh, and I'm here for the little blonde highlights as well. Can't wait to try this out. So I'm gonna pop this on my head right now just so you guys can see how it looks. All right, so this is how the wig is looking. Now, obviously I do have to tint this lace up a bit because she needs to be tinted, but I just want you guys to see how it is actually looking on my head. And the fit, it fits nice and flat, and I haven't even gone in with my hot comb and anything. I was a little worried about that. I was worried about if it's like, you know, removable, would it be still nice and flat? And it's still pretty flat considering that I haven't done anything to it as yet. This is pretty much how it is looking. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I remove the closure, and I'm gonna attach the other closure to it. Now there's actually a hook right here on the wig. You can see it right there, and I'm gonna go ahead and unhook this first. Super easy. So once you unhook it, you can now go ahead and remove the closure just like that. Whoa, this is so cool. This is actually pretty cool. And then you have another hook right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that hook as well, just to completely get that off of there. And then we're gonna go ahead and just remove. So we have another hook, and there's 3 hooks on this wig all together. So I'm gonna remove that, and there you have it. Everything is removed. We have a closure, and she's removed. And it is super easy to put it back on as well. So I'm gonna show you guys how we attach it back on. It's really, really easy. So as you can see, here's the 2 pieces. I'm gonna start by hooking it back together. So there you go, I just hooked that back together. Once I hook it, I'm gonna go ahead and start attaching it back to the Velcro. So it is Velcro. Here's the Velcro on the wig, and it's also on the frontal piece. So I'm just gonna go ahead and attach that back together. And voila, we're pretty much done. And we have a whole wig again. There you go. Super easy. And again, like I mentioned, it actually looks pretty good. So for the install, I'm gonna use this piece right here because I don't want to do black hair today. We're gonna do this one today. So I'm gonna attach this piece of frontal to the actual wig, and I'm gonna do this on my mannequin head just so you guys can have a better view of what I'm doing. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the closure with the streaks on it. I feel like I've been saying frontal a lot, but it's actually a closure, as you guys can see. And I'm gonna do this on the mannequin head, and I'm literally gonna hook the hooks first, and then I'm gonna do the Velcro. And it's that simple. It's super easy to do, and it literally takes less than 5 minutes to do. New wig, who dis? Like, hello, brand new wig. And just so you guys can take a look, you can see what it looks like on the inside as well. It looks absolutely seamless, and I love that there is no bumps and humps here for that. It looks great, and it was super easy to install as well and reattach it. All right, so this is how she is looking on my head. This is a closure, keep that in mind. So it's not a frontal. Frontal usually goes all the way down. So you can pretty much wear this one in a center part. Okay, I think it looks pretty good. I just have to kind of like, you know, finesse her a little bit. Just go ahead and take out some hair pieces in the front so it looks more natural to my hairline. I don't really love when it goes straight across like that, so I'm just taking these pieces out at the front of the hair. It already looks so much better, and I'm so here for that. Yeah. Now I'm gonna go ahead and install this wig. So because I pull those out, I'm gonna go ahead and just go in with a scissors just to cut it. Guys, and whenever I'm ready to switch this back, I can easily switch it back to the other lace piece. So I love the fact that I get some versatility with this wig. Next, I'm gonna go in with a tint and spray because the lace, it is a little bit light for my skin. This is HD lace. However, most HD lace, you do need to tint it so it matches your skin perfectly. Like, I don't wanna be like, shh. And this wig can obviously be worn glueless. You don't need to add any kind of product to it, so you could get away with wearing this as a glueless wig. This is pretty much how she looks glueless with no product in it whatsoever. Now I'm gonna go in with my hot comb and flatten it down a bit because she's sitting a little not the greatest. It's still pretty flat, but I can get it to look a lot flatter than how it's looking right now. And we are gonna go ahead and fix up these curls as well. And to style and flatten on my wig, I'm using my Sticky Little Secret melting spray. So I just apply it on top of the wig instead of using a hair wax because I feel like the hair wax can be greasy, and I go in with the hot comb. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to melt this lace down, and I'm using my Sticky Little Secret melting spray. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. So this, again, this is how it looks with absolutely no products. You can get away with wearing it just like this, but I'm gonna add some melting spray just to melt down that lace just a little bit. Like, it looks pretty good. And I am gonna fix this right here. So I'm gonna add some concealer right here. And I'm gonna spray this onto a brush and just tap it on. You really don't need a lot of this stuff. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm going to leave this melting band on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Ooh, okay. She is definitely melted. Okay guys, so this is pretty much the end results. I love how this one turned out, and I love the idea of the fact that I can just change up my frontal. I don't know if they're calling this a topper or a frontal, but I love that idea. It's actually really cool. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope you guys learned something from this video, and I will link, I will include everything in the description bar down below, so you can go ahead and check out Unice hair. And this is pretty much the completed look. I absolutely love how this turned out. You guys can definitely check out all the info in the description box down below. I like the switch up. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another video very soon. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.